This video will illustrate DocRebuild's solution to reseal and improve the original 1968 to 82 AC system cases and ducts. It shows how we developed these parts and the new GM parts we referenced and where they are used. Our various model year seal kits ensure all the cold air only comes out the vents. They will blow you away. This is part 1 and shows all the parts needed to restore the evaporator case. These semi-tubular rivets allow R&R of rusted steel brackets or the backplate. Other kits lack these. Evaporator cases have a recessed groove where a sealer is applied to seal the cases together into the firewall. GM supplied part number 3008851, a putty-like seal, often termed strip caulk. The original GM evaporator seal 3014A20 left too many gaps. We made a multi-part seal with a notched upper one to prevent hot air escaping over the top pins of the core. It restricts cold air flow so that only passes through the core. The Evap core lower inlet pipe has a seal to the case, GM 3014-861 or 3027-215, which is also notched for a bleed line. We copied GM. The upper outlet pipe notch seal for 6879 is GM 3014-860. The 8082 Evap cores without an upper bleed line use GM 3051-121. And this is a seal that is not notched for a bleed line. Under the blow motor resistor, 68 miles uses tan fiber seal, GM 388-3844. 59 to 71 have a different blower motor resistor and use this tan fiber seal, GM 3628-677. The critically important compressor thermal cutoff switch on 6872 models uses this tan fiber seal, 3917-361. 72 to 82 models use a similar tan fiber seal, GM 7768-263, under the blower motor resistor. We include the special drain hose, GM 3148-473, to remove the condensed water from the evaporator case. It helps prevent the core from freezing up. This optional firewall screen helps prevent insects, pollen, and leaf debris that collects in the wiper bay from entering the Evap case. If any of this organic debris manages to enter the case, this core screen traps it to prevent the fins in the core from clogging. Using our kits to reseal your AC system and they'll blow you away. The Evap core is the same size in a Corvette as in a full-size Chevy, and the Corvette cockpit has half as much space to cool.